welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick plus size inside the dressing room at Bealls outlet. Now typically I don't really haul much from here, but they are very close to my home and I just wanted to check out what they had for fall. And I was pleasantly surprised actually. This first item is a pair of jeans from Hydraulic Nolita curvy jeans in a 24. And I found this beautiful cardigan by Urban Girl. It is kind of like a brick color, like a brick orange, dark orange, which is like perfect for fall. I just paired it with a little brick color tank top underneath. The jeans were super stretchy, very comfortable. And I'm just loving this little, jean cardigan look that they had. Mind you, I didn't have the right shoes. I had my sandals on because it's hot where I live. But I did see that they did bring a couple of items that were really cute for fall or even as transitional pieces. So I'm actually loving this little cardigan, and you can actually pair that cardigan with like a little skirt, like a little skater skirt. So it's a really cute look. This next one is not my typical style, but I did want to try these wide leg, kind of like palazzo pants on for you guys, only because I know other people do like those stretchy palazzo pants. I don't typically wear them, but I did find these here. These pants were, they were a striped black and white. I believe the brand was, I didn't get the brand on these, but these were a size 3X. They had a ton of them, so your local Bealls will most likely have them. And I paired it with this top by Ambiance. It's a little off the shoulder black top in a 1X. The pants were a 3X and they were like super stretchy, super comfortable. More like I would wear these to hang out around the house, but I know a lot of people do like to dress them up and they're cute. I just don't think they're very they suit me. But they were very stretchy and they were only $9.99. So if you like these types of pants, run to your nearest Bealls outlet because they had a ton of them. This next item is probably my favorite. I love this top. So if you saw my follow me around Bealls outlet video previous to this, I had showed this one in mustard, which is the one I was looking for, but they didn't have the mustard anymore, and I should have bought it when I saw it. But I'm actually loving this green, and I paired it with these pants that are actually jeggings from Gloria Vanderbilt, and I always thought like Gloria Vanderbilt was kind of like an older style of jeans, but I was pleasantly surprised. These jeggings were super comfortable, very true to size. I tried these on in a 24. They have a ton of stretch and I was just so comfortable in this outfit. The top is by Full Circle Trends. It is a 2X. And yeah, so just paired with the little black jeggings, I thought it was a cute little outfit and I'm actually loving it. The pants were $17 and the top I believe was $8.99. So like you can't beat that. And that's why I love Bealls outlet, is because they always have really affordable clothes. It's hit or miss. Sometimes they have cute items, sometimes they don't. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, make sure to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.